What's a smell that instantly takes you back to childhood? 1. Pencil sharpener shavings. 2. The smell right after to explain it. 4. The cheap plastic smell of a freshly opened pool float, and mixed with the scent of a chlorine pool. 5. Homemade bread and rabbit. 6. The witty musky smell from old books when we used to read at school or libraries. 7. Hydraulic fluid, diesel fuel. It smells like old tractors. Brings me back to visiting my grandparents' farm.
I'll use the same 1/8 inch radius
Stale
flip
beer
around a
breath
bit,
and a
but I'll
leather
round
belt.
over its sides.
9. The sun
When
cream
using a
we all
handheld
used as
router, I
kids.
like to take a
Whenever I
quick
smell
second
them now,
pass
I'm
to ensure I
instantly
didn't miss
taken
any
back to being
material
on
and
holiday
account.
in the pool and sun. 10. Fresh cut grass. 11. Stale cigarette smoke. 12. A specific artificial strawberry scent. It's similar to the strawberry shortcake DVDs. 13.